Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay? So we've been drawing our way through a little retrospective of some of the top anime series to grace the airwaves here in the US from the 1960s to present, including last week when we drew Yami Yugi from Yu-Gi-Oh! This week, we're going to draw a couple of the characters from the incredibly successful and long-running Pokemon series. Hard to believe, but Pokemon is now in its 28th season, first airing in 1997 in Japan, and currently running on streaming platforms here in the US. And today we'll be focusing on the two main stars of the series, Ash Ketchum and his trusty partner Pikachu. Now, having lasted 28 seasons, there have been various versions and styles of these two, and I've picked Ash and Pikachu from the Pokemon Journey series, which I believe came out in 2020. Okay, so let's draw. We're going to draw Ash and Pikachu step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Ash is 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall the circle is that I draw, which makes up his head, his entire body is 4 of those tall. Pikachu, who's positioned next to Ash's head, his entire body is exactly 1 of Ash's head heights tall, not including that lightning bolt tail, which is another 1 of Ash's head heights tall. Okay, so what do you say we get started with the roadmap for Ash Ketchum and Pikachu from Pokemon? So there's our roadmap for Ash and Pikachu. Now, before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our 2 heroes using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing of Ash and Pikachu. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to be drawing as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Ash and Pikachu's eyes, noses, mouths, bodies, and other features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our drawing of Ash Ketchum and Pikachu. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Ash and Pikachu. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Ash and Pikachu. And we don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment to look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit to drawing those final lines. But even after you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing of Ash and Pikachu all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the final details for Ash, Ketchum, and Pikachu. And that's how you do it. There you have it. From Satoshi Tajiri's amazing Pokemon franchise, Ash Ketchum, and his loyal partner, Pikachu. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn any version of Ash and Pikachu before, you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our drawing of Ash and Pikachu during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you had the secret formula, the process for drawing Ash, Ketchum, and Pikachu. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw Ash and Pikachu, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Ash and Pikachu. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.